we will learn how to remove every file or apps in your system or laptop. For this, follow the following step with me. Go to search bar, type settings, click on this option setting. Now go to system. Under system, click on recovery. In recovery option, you have to click on reset this PC. You have two options. Keep your file, remove everything. If you want to keep your file and just want to remove apps and setting only, choose first option. If you want to remove everything, every file, every setting or every personal profile, you have to click on second option. After selecting second option, your system will start removing every file and folder. I don't want to remove everything. I just want to show you. That is why I open this option for video purpose. If you want to continue, click on the selected option. That's all in this video, guys. If you like my video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel.